there's nothing I won't do. Forever's not enough for me to love you so.
It's not my first time to go to Dubai in United Arab Emirates, but I'm still very much excited to visit it. As usual, I am traveling with people who are really close to me. My good friend Mark Bautista is also joining me. Kaya naman kahit matagal ang biyahe, it's okay kasi I'm having fun with everyone. Plus, it's really amazing to meet our fellow kababayans who are so helpful and warm. It makes traveling more comfortable and enjoyable.
From CX919.
Emirates. Known naman ng Emirates, ang airline na Emirates sa pagiging accommodating nila at yung magandang service nila. Every time na bumabiyahe kami, papuntang ng Middle East, sakay nila. So, ayun, okay naman. Pag mga Pinoy talaga, spoiled talaga tayo.
Usually, namin talaga siya eh. Talagang pasahero na namin talaga sa Dubai. Talagang, well, very, very charming, lovely. Then, napakabait, down to earth na kasama. Napakasimple nga niya, no? Tapos, sabi hindi sexy. Pero sexy nga eh. Sobra, promise. Hindi siya mataas tignan, parang napakagaling niya kumanta, galing sumayaw. Lahat na sa kanya. Sana yung if ever gusto maging boyfriend niya, sana will be alagaan siya mabuti.
Anybody was found.
Hello guys, dito kami sa lounge. Ito, boarding na, final call na for boarding. So, tara na. Tantayan Dubai. Ay, si Marco.
Hi! Boarding na, final boarding.
A non-stop flight from the Philippines to Dubai usually takes 8 to 9 hours. The total distance from Manila, Philippines to Dubai, United Arab Emirates is 4,297 miles. Okay yung service sa plane, yung crew, yung mga flight attendants, okay naman.
Ako nakatulog naman ako. Ngayon parang 11 PM pa lang dito, so mahirapan naman tayo matulog. Pero okay naman, enjoy ako sa flight. Ang ganda ng plane. Mga nakadalawang movies ako. Sarap.
Mamang Arabo, tense kami.
Kasama ang buong entourage. Kasama natin of course si Mark Bautista, Mami, Daddy ko po, si Sir Jay, si Ate Evelyn, G-Force, si Ate Beth, si Ate Jelay, kapatid ni Mark, si Kuya Turbo, Sir G.
Welcome! We just arrived here in Dubai. Dito pa po kami sa airport. Nagpas na kami sa immigration. So, alabas na po kami ng airport. So, yeah! Happy to be here!
Okay, nag-limousine ride kami. syempre natutuwa naman kami every time yung pag nakikita namin talaga yung producers namin na binibigyan talaga kami ng importance, pinapasakay kami sa limousine. Talagang salamat to sa producers namin sa Dubai.
Asiana, because we have checked already the property. It's a very nice property. It's new, and the facilities are very nice. And of course, they are promoting the Filipino market. So, as a Filipino artist, I think this is the best place that suits Sarah's character as well as an individual. It's a friendly environment. So it's very nice. It's very Asian atmosphere.
Kung matandaan kung third time o second time, of course, napakagandang lugar, a beautiful place, exotic, at syempre, iyan ang isang mayaman na country. Syempre, nandiyan ang vast reserve ng oil. So, ayan.
I'm really lucky to be able to travel and see different countries around the world, and like so many other places, Dubai boasts of its own beauty and culture. Maraming magagandang tourist spots at interesting places na pwedeng pasyalan. At nakakatuwa kasi aside from the locals called Emirati, maraming iba't ibang lahi rin ang makikita dito. Indeed, Dubai has become a booming global city.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome the Princess Sarah Geronimo. Let's give her a round of applause.
Natatandaan ko dati dumating na sila dito, kasama niya rin si Mark. Sila with Miss Ai, and then nagkaroon silang concert, and then again she returned with the champions, Eric Santos, Christian Bautista. I think that was for the TFC Popstar or something like that. But every time Sarah comes, tignan mo naman yung mga suporta ng media sa kanya at suporta ng mga fans niya. Super sabik sila kay Sarah. And I think marami dito kasing fan base Popstars, I think. Marami talaga dito sa Dubai.
Ang ilang beses ka na dito sa Dubai, Sarah?
Good morning po. Ito po yung third time po here in Dubai. Past two concerts yata po, lagi kami magkasama ni Mark. Ever since the competition, lagi na po kami magkakasama sa mga concerts, even sa mga, yung first teleserye po na ginawa ko, yung Sarah the Teen Princess, magkasama din kami ni Mark. Hindi na kuya, Mark na lang yun. Nakakahiya na yun.
Oo, siguro we're good friends. And pag nag-duet na minsan naglalaro na lang, parang gano'n. Pero masaya kasi kasama rin sa mga concerts.
She's nice, she's cute. She's very, I believe she's humble person. Since last year, 2010, naging presidential awardee ako. So, siguro ito nag-push ahead sa, nag-push sa akin o force ahead sa mga activities ng mga Filipino dito. So, any activities na yun since that time, basta may mga activities ang mga Filipino, I'm trying my best to be with them.
We do have a lot of aspiring artists in Dubai, and for the past few months, maraming mga singing competition dito. And I'm sure nakikinig sila sa atin din. What you can advise them, I'm sure lahat sila makakasay na gustong marating yung kinalala din mo ngayon.
Mga youngsters po ba ito?
Different ages.
Syempre naman tayo mga Pinoy po, talagang music lover, nation na natin yan po. So, ang advice, diba? Siguro kung dream po talaga ng isang tao na maging singer, siguro, huwag lang sila titigil sa pagkanta, saka yun nga, practice makes perfect. So, huwag lang sila titigil at saka yung courage ba? Saka patience kapag medyo natatagalan, parang they feel na walang nangyayari sa pagsisikap nila. At saka yung failure, it's part of the success. Kumbaga, mas masarap o mas na-appreciate mo yung success na makukuha mo kapag pinagdaanan mo yung failure, disappointment. So, yun, it's part of it.
Okay naman yung naging press ko namin. Very, naman, ang press people, nice naman sila, respectful naman, okay naman.
Maraming salamat Sarah and Mark Bautista.
Andito kami ngayon, magla-lunch na. Kakatapos na ng press ko namin. And, okay naman yung press ko na masaya yung mga tao, organized naman at mabilis din natapos. So, ito ngayon. Actually, marami kaming gagawin today. So, first pa lang yun. So, break muna kami and lunch time muna.
Yun, nag-lunch po kami sa Asiana Hotel. Kasi karamihan ng staff doon talaga mga Pinoy.
Enjoy po yung lunch nyo. So, Yaps po yung restaurant manager na Tsunami Korean restaurant. I-explain niya po kung ano yung klase kayo.
Okay, good afternoon everyone. Welcome to Tsunami. Well, as you can see, we have seafood salad in front of you. It's a very signature dish from the Tsunami restaurant. And after this, you will have the tofu salad, which is a better tofu, really good. And also, we're gonna have the japchae, which is a glass noodle with the vegetable and seafood. And after that, you will...
Ako naman kahit ano. Oo, at saka, yan gusto ko din yung natatry ko yung mga iba't ibang klase ng ulam. So, again, maganda na naman po ang treatment sa amin. Yun, hindi po kami pinabayaan, hindi kami nagutom doon. Saka pagka meron talaga kaming kailangan, attentive sila sa amin. So, ayun, salamat po.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Salamat po. Thank you, sir.
Basta na. Last 2009, you remember, we were together, 2009. Pumasok kayo sa...
Yun, pumunta kami sa Far Eastern Private School. Again, ang mga teachers, may mga teachers doon na Pinoy. At I believe may mga estudyante din na half Pinoy. Oh, lahat Pinoy ba yun?
Kamusta kayo? Marunong pa ba kayo magtagalog? Yeah! Ito ang Pilipina dito. Ayan. Very happy kami to see all of you. Sana payagan kayo ng mga parents ninyo tomorrow na makanood ng show namin ni Mark, ni Kuya Mark Bautista. Ayan.
May mga anak ng mga locals doon, ng Pinoy din. So, ayun. Masarap sa pakiramdam makita yung mga... Siyempre, nasa ibang lugar tayo, nasa Dubai tayo, but still, it's always a surprise na makita, na malaman, nakilala ka ng mga tao, especially the kids.
Ate Sarah, paki-autograph naman!
We're so very happy kasi sa TFC na namin sila nakikita, pati mga bata, kita mo, talaga nagkintay yung mga bata. Happy sila, daming fans.
We are glad and we are pleasure to have Sarah with us today. Since the students are also looking forward to see her because of the upcoming concert. So, we're really glad.
Malaki talaga pasasalamat natin sa TFC dahil through them, nakikilala tayo ng mga kababayan natin sa iba't ibang sulok ng mundo. So, ayun. Thank you.
Since Mark and I are in Dubai for work, we need to do some promotional activities para sa concert namin. With Mark, parang hangout lang ang promo kasi sobrang tagal na naming magkakilala. So it's like a casual hangout session with him. And through our promo activities, we get to meet a lot of Filipinos working in Dubai. It's like we're in the Philippines na rin dahil sa sobrang warm ng reception nila sa amin.
Burj Al Arab. Yan, nakapagpa-picture na rin kami dyan. Parang sa barko, yung actually parang, ayun, yung parang sail. Tama, yung pa-curve na gano'n. Tapos yun nga, mahal. Sayang nga lang dapat pala magdi-dinner. Tama, magdi-dinner kami.
May friend kaming nag-work doon.
Para i-treat niya sana kami. Kaya lang kulang na talaga sa oras.
Parang super bitin talaga yung
bitin na bitin.
Burj Al Arab is a luxury hotel located in Dubai, United Arab Emirates. It is the 4th tallest hotel in the world. Burj Al Arab stands on an artificial island 280 meters, 920 feet out from Jumeirah Beach, and is connected to the mainland by a private curving bridge.
Hello guys! Nandito tayo sa one of the famous spots dito sa Dubai, sa Burj Al Arab Hotel.
Noong extra day namin yun, we went to Burj Al Arab, and then we had lunch in the hotel. It's so beautiful and the food was fantastic. It was hosted by the Filipino who works in the hotel. So it was really nice that welcoming Sarah.
Jumeirah literally means beautiful. It is a coastal residential area in Dubai, United Arab Emirates, mainly comprising low-rise private dwellings. It is administratively divided into 3 neighborhoods titled Jumeirah 1, Jumeirah 2, and Jumeirah 3. It has both expensive and large detached properties as well as more modest townhouses built in a variety of architectural styles. The area is popular with expatriates working in the Emirate and is familiar to many tourists visiting Dubai.
Mall lang kami lagi eh. Puro mall. Actually, yun lang. Kahit gustuhin man namin mag-safari or pero talagang, or nagpipicture na lang kami. Pag kunyari talagang wala ng oras, pupunta na lang kami sa mga, alam mo yung mga tourist spot nila. Or yung Burj Al Arab, pa-picture kami doon sa tallest building. Yun na lang, yung parang nadadaanan pag wala ng oras talaga.
So, nag-promo lang kami ng konti sa may Deira City Center Mall. So, okay naman po. Again, marami po mga Pilipino at yun po ang purpose namin. Kaya po kami pumunta doon para i-promote yung show. Masayang makita yung mga kababayan natin doon na nakikita din namin na may joy din sa mga mata nila pag nakikita yung mga artista kami po. At yung excitement din na mapanood kami mag-perform. Ang sarap po nitong trabaho kong ito kasi the best part talaga yung nakapagbigay ka ng happiness at inspiration sa ibang tao.
Bukas po, concert. This one is a man-made creek.
Parang magkaroon sila ng
tubig. Tumagos yan hanggang dagat. Tagusan ng lagos yung tubig doon.
Baka dagat talaga yan.
Sa dulo dagat. Diritasan yung dagat.
Oo, para maganda.
Di ba siya? Flat siya dati. Look at the station.
Air condition yan.
Air conditioner station. Ayaw. Yan ang station. Tayo bababa. Ito station.
Nasa Dubai Mall tayo, the biggest mall in the world. Katabi niya ang tallest building in the world.
Tingin-tingin lang. Mga Pinoy window shopping lang.
Dubai Mall. Yun yung may aquarium sa loob. Biggest aquarium in the whole world. Yes. So, ayun, nakapunta po kami doon. Hindi yun yung first time na nakapunta kami. But then again, same pa rin yung amazement ko doon sa laki ng aquarium, sa laki ng mall.
This is the biggest aquarium in the world. Nasa siya, Guinness. Pwede kayo mag-dive dito. Nasa 7,000 pesos. Tapos makaka-receive ka ng certificate ng Guinness na kapag-dive ka sa pinakamalaking aquarium sa buong mundo. Check this one.
Do I look familiar? You go. My grandmother really looks good with me.
Nakakapagod pero masaya. Siyempre, ang as a photographer, inaano namin kung paano mag-capture ng magandang photos at candid at yung makukuha mo yung kung saan sila masaya, yung mga tao na lumalapit sa kanila, yung mga ganyan. Yung behind the scene, kung ano yung talaga yung nangyayari talaga sa mall tours, mga ganyan. Pero hindi naman tulad sa Pilipinas na mag-stay talaga sa isang stage at pasyal kasama ng window shopping at ayun, napamili sila kasi mga mura talaga dito, walang tax at ayun, nag-enjoy. Kulitan moment. Maliligaw ka. Kaya kailangan mo talaga ng taga rito para ipasyal kayo at mag-shopping kayo.
Dubai takes their tourism to new heights, ika nga. Some of the best spots that they have are the tallest tower, largest shopping mall, biggest aquarium, biggest dancing water fountain, etc., etc. Super wow na wow talaga. Kaya I'm extra happy na na-experience ko ang mga yon. Hindi nakakasawang balik-balikan.
Burj Khalifa is the tallest building in the world. The Burj Khalifa skyscraper is a world-class destination and the magnificent centerpiece of downtown Dubai. Dubai's new urban masterpiece. The world's tallest building is surrounded by hotels, must-visit shopping destinations, and a world of entertainment options.
Super tall. Parang hindi ka magkasya sa camera mo. Kailangan mo talaga bumaba ng bongga pa.
Again, nasa kanila lahat ng mga superlatives, so yung mga tallest, biggest, best. Kasi nga richest din yata. Richest country ba? Hindi naman. One of the richest.
Dito na siya makikita sa UAE, sa Dubai. Magkakasama sila sa Guinness. 4 na pinagsama-sama, Burj Khalifa with the tallest building, the biggest mall, Dubai Mall. Tapos biggest aquarium. Nasa Guinness din siya.
Maganda siya sa gabi. Pero hindi siya ganun kaliwanag, pero maganda siya.
Yung fountain na dinoble ang lapad at ang laki sa Vegas.
The Dubai Fountain, illuminated by 6,600 lights and 50 colored projectors. It is 275 meters, 902 feet long, and shoots water 150 meters, 490 feet into the air, accompanied by a range of classical to contemporary Arabic and world music.
It's actually similar to what they have in Las Vegas, but it's bigger. This one is bigger. Of course, parang Dubai will never talaga hindi magkapatalo ang Dubai. Oo, kung meron mataas, meron pa mas mataas sa kanila. Yung ganun level lang sila.
First time in Dubai, namin na-witness yun. Pero napanood na namin sa Bellagio. Pero ito, different naman kasi yung tugtog nila, pang kanila. So, hindi mo maintindihan. Parang ang saya. Oo, yan, Bollywood. Maganda. Parang gusto mong dumive dun eh. Pero maganda.
Ako, 5 years na ako sa Dubai. Na-amaze pa rin ako. Lalo pag yung the prayer, yung mga English at Latin or mga Italian song, kung pwede nga lang mag-propose doon. Every 30 minutes nagpi-play siya. May Arabic song, may Indian song, merong Mexican, merong English and Italian and sa mga Latin.
Natutuwa ka na nagagawa ng mga tao yon. paano nila naiisip na talagang papasayaw yung tubig. Tapos, sumasayaw din siya with the music, di ba? May music din. So, parang sa Bellagio, pero 3 times bigger nung fountain sa sa Bellagio, sa hotel, sa Las Vegas. So, yun.
Palakpak.
Nag-dinner kami sa isang Chinese restaurant sa loob din ng Asiana Hotel. Jade Restaurant po. So, ayun, Chinese cuisine naman.
Totoo mong good. Lalaki.
My daughter and I talagang favorite namin si Sarah. Kasi, ano siya total performer. Plus, yung character niya talaga is talagang ma-idolize ng mga hindi lang bata, kundi maski yung adult din.
It's really like wow, I'm having dinner with Sarah because only a few people can come here.
Ayun, okay. As usual, maganda pa rin po ang service at saka ang food masasarap. Tapos nagkaroon ng meet and greet sa mga sponsors ng show. So, ayun. Good night. Thank you.
Okay guys, so yun, tapos na yung activities namin for today, yung promo namin. Nakakapagod pero sobra namang nag-enjoy. Yan, mula sa lunch, sa Korean restaurant, hindi kami hanggang dito sa Chinese restaurant. So yun, thank you for joining us. Tomorrow, concert na!
This is just the first part of our Dubai trip. Next week, please watch out for my concert with Mark Bautista. And abangan ninyo ang after-party event namin. Hope you guys enjoyed our Dubai experiences as I had fun sharing them with you. Thanks for watching. Till my next entry, much love, Sarah.
Check ko lang ha. Pag pinuwala. Sapa. 1, 2, 3, 6 months. Wait for the camera. You say ball. And close up please. 1, 2, 3. Thank you. Thank you. Okay.
Tapos na aming araw for today at papahinga na kami at paakit na ako sa room. At si Sarah na una na. And dumaan lang ako saglit sa Boracay Club. And bukas ang aming showtime. So sana magiging maganda yung prayer namin maging maganda yung show. And, ayun.